Halloween Rice Krispie treats are like magical, spooky squares of deliciousness. Now imagine gooey marshmallows and crispy cereal, but with a little Halloween twist. The best part, you get to decorate them with like colorful M&Ms to make them look totally creepy and incredibly cute. It's like playing with your food, but in the most delicious way possible. Hi y'all, welcome to Cozymeal Studios, where the vibes are immaculate and the food is just delicious. My name is Yanni, and today we're making Halloween Rice Krispie treats. Before we start, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and tap on our little notification bell. Let's get on with the recipe. Start by preparing the jack-o'-lantern Rice Krispie treats. In a pot over low heat, we're going to melt the butter. Add the marshmallows until just melted. Stir in the salt and vanilla extract. If you really want to go crazy, use a little bit of peanut butter. Always ask the group if anyone is allergic before serving peanuts. Stir the orange food coloring a drop or two at a time until the desired color is achieved. Stir in the crispy rice cereal. Now either grease your hands or wear disposable gloves for this next step. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of orange Rice Krispies and shape them into a ball. Stick a prepared chocolate taffy or thin pretzel into the center and add like a green M&M next to it. It's gonna mimic a pumpkin leaf. Repeat this with the remaining orange Rice Krispies. Let the jack-o'-lantern Rice Krispies set. Next, place the black icing or melted dark chocolate if we're using that in a piping bag with a number 2 or 3 tip. I don't have piping bags in my kitchen. I put it in a Ziploc bag and I snip the corner off. It works just as well. It's infinitely cheaper. Use a toothpick if necessary to kind of finesse the details there. The jack-o'-lantern Rice Krispie treats are complete. We're gonna now prepare our spider Rice Krispie treats. Grease and line a 9x9 pan with parchment paper. Same thing, measure and prep all your ingredients, do your mise en place. In a pot over low heat, melt the butter. Add 16 ounces of marshmallows. Stir until just melted. Add the salt and vanilla extract here. And then you're gonna turn off the heat. Stir in the crispy rice cereal. And then stir in the remaining 4 ounces of marshmallows. Quickly transfer the mixture into the prepared pan and evenly spread the Rice Krispie treats. Do not press them down hard. We want to let this still be fluffy. Let the Rice Krispie treats set for maybe 30 minutes, and then you're gonna slice them into rectangles. In a medium microwave-safe bowl, add the regular sized marshmallows and melt them for 30 seconds. Take some of the melted marshmallows and stretch them out with your hands. Place the stretched marshmallows over the prepared Rice Krispie treats, tucking the ends to the back of the Rice Krispie treats. Now you're gonna repeat these steps until the Rice Krispie treats are covered and have this like web-like effect. Place a peeled miniature peanut butter cup with the larger side facing down onto the Rice Krispie treat and attach 2 candy eyes onto the peanut butter cup with a little bit of like melted chocolate or icing to secure it. And use this piping bag to draw the legs of the spiders on. Your spider Rice Krispie treats are complete. Now for the grand finale, we're gonna prepare our mummy Rice Krispie treats. Prepare a tray of Rice Krispie treats, like the steps mentioned in the spider Rice Krispies, and then you're gonna divide these into rectangular pieces. Place the melted white candy melts or white chocolate into a piping bag with a number 45 piping tip. Use the flat side of the piping tip to create like mummy ribbons. Remember, leave a space on the upper third for the candy eyes. And that's it. The mummy Rice Krispies are complete. Serve them up to the little ones. Enjoy. For easy handling, because they can be a little sticky, add a little skewer, or we can use a Halloween straw. For the full recipe, head to the description box below, or you can go to cozymeal.com/recipes. There's like a whole slew of delicious recipes on there. If you haven't already, hit that like button and hit subscribe. As always, my name is Yanni. Thank you for watching Cozymeal Studios.